Have you ever wondered how businesses respect user privacy while still retrieving the essential data they need? Enter Google Consent Mode Parameters. This tool is a game changer, a bridge between the need for data and user privacy. But what are these parameters and how do they work? Let's delve into the world of Google Consent Mode Parameters. Imagine a world where businesses respect your privacy choices and still manage to provide personalized experiences. Google Consent Mode Parameters make this possible. They are a set of tools that adjust Google's tags based on the consent status of users. This allows businesses to measure conversions and get analytics while respecting user privacy. To understand it better, think of it as a digital handshake between a user and a website. If a user gives consent, Google's tags fire off as usual, collecting data. If a user doesn't consent, the tags adjust, limiting data collection. Now let's break down how to implement Google Consent Mode Parameters. Firstly, you need to set up a consent management platform or CMP. This is where users can make their privacy choices. Secondly, you have to update your website's tags. This is done through Google Tag Manager or GTM. In GTM, you'll add two new parameters to your existing tags, add_storage and analytics_storage. These are the consent mode parameters. The add_storage parameter controls ad-related cookies. If a user consents, it's set to granted. If not, it's set to denied. The analytics_storage parameter, on the other hand, controls analytics cookies. Again, if a user consents, it's set to granted. If not, it's set to denied. Once these parameters are added, you're ready to roll. But the magic doesn't end there. Google Consent Mode also allows for conversion measurement with limited data. If a user doesn't consent to cookies, Google will model conversions, giving you insights while respecting privacy. To summarize, Google Consent Mode Parameters are tools that help businesses respect user privacy while still collecting necessary data. They adjust Google's tags based on user consent. Setting up Google Consent Mode Parameters involves setting up a consent management platform, updating website tags through Google Tag Manager, and adding the add_storage and analytics_storage parameters. These parameters control ad and analytics cookies, respectively. If a user consents, they're set to granted. If a user doesn't consent, they're set to denied. And with Google's conversion modeling, businesses can still measure conversions even when users don't consent to cookies. In a world increasingly conscious of privacy, Google Consent Mode Parameters are a win-win, balancing user privacy and the need for data. Truly, it's a tool that's reshaping the digital landscape.